Hello everyone and welcome to Accounting with Iana. Today we will talk about how to become a QuickBooks Certified ProAdvisor. This certification is completely free and it can make a big difference in your accounting career. If you work with small business clients, this certification shows them you know QuickBooks at a professional level. It also places your name in the official ProAdvisor directory, where business owners search for trusted accounting professionals to hire. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell so you're notified when we release more videos like this. The first step is to create a free QuickBooks Online Accountant account. Go to the Intuit website and look for the Accountants section to sign up at no cost. Once you're inside your QuickBooks Online Accountant account, look for the ProAdvisor tab on the left side of your screen. This is where you will find all your training materials and the certification exam. The next step is to complete the training modules. Intuit provides free videos and study materials to help you prepare for the exam. We recommend working through each module carefully before moving on to the next one. Please note that this training is completely self-paced. There is no deadline, so you can study at your own schedule and take all the time you need. When you feel ready, you can take the ProAdvisor certification exam directly inside your account. The exam is multiple choice, and if you don't pass on your first attempt, you may retake it. If you are finding this video helpful so far, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button so we can continue bringing you more content like this. After you pass the exam, voila! You will receive your official ProAdvisor badge. You can display this badge on your website, your LinkedIn profile, and your business cards. As a certified ProAdvisor, you are listed in the official QuickBooks directory at no charge. This is where small business owners and entrepreneurs go to find accounting professionals they can trust. You also receive exclusive benefits as a certified ProAdvisor. This includes discounts on QuickBooks subscriptions and access to priority customer support, resources that help you serve your clients more efficiently. Please note that you will need to renew your certification annually. Intuit updates QuickBooks each year, so renewing keeps your knowledge current and your badge active. Becoming a QuickBooks Certified ProAdvisor is one of the best steps you can take to grow your accounting career. It is free, self-paced, and recognized by clients and employers across the country. If you want to learn more about accounting, I have many videos on financial accounting, Excel for accountants, and QuickBooks. I am posting the link here and in the description below. That's all for today. Please make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the notification bell so you are notified when we release more videos like this. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you all again in the next video.